Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. In the previous video, we started learning the layout tab. In this video, I am going to continue with the same. Before we start the video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. So let's start the video. As you can see, I have opened the previous file. This is your table and this is your layout tab. Till rows and columns group we learned in the previous video. Next is the merge group. Now what does it do? So split cells. It will split the current cell into the multiple cells, and split table will split the table into two tables, right? And merge cell, here they have not given the selection option over here. So merge cell will merge the selected cells into the one cell. So how does it work? I will show you. Before that, I will insert the blank table. So insert and then table, and I will insert this table right there. Then layout tab. So as you can see, I have placed my cursor at the first cell, and then if you want to split the cells, click on that. Number of columns I am going to give 2, and number of rows I will keep as 1, and then press OK. So did you see that the first cell is divided into 2 columns and 1 row. Then split table. So I am keeping my cursor at the second row and I am splitting the tables. So did you see that? Again, if I go for this and like this, so this way you can split your tables. Now what about merge cells? For that you have to select the multiple cells. These 2 cells I am going to select, or you can select these 2 cells. As soon as you select more cells, you will be able to click on the merge cells. So click on that. So did you see that? It converted your 2 cells into the 1 cell. Now I am going to delete this table. Next option is the auto fit option. Auto fit content, auto fit window and fixed column width. So how does it work? Let's see that. Auto fit contents. So did you see? The size of the column will be reduced or will be increased according to text which you have written in the table, right? Then auto fit window. So the entire window, as you can see, this is your page. So that will be arranged according to the window. Next is your cell size option. In that one, height is there and width is there. So if you want to increase the height of the particular row, you can increase. See? Did you see that? Then width. So particular column width. So height will be increased in a row manner and width will be increased in a column manner. So if you increase it, did you see that? The width of one column only is being increased. Then distribute rows. So what does it do? Distribute the height of the selected rows equally between them. So did you see that? They have given the equal height of the each row. Distributed column, it distributes the width of the selected columns equally between them. So select that. Can you see the width of column equal? Right? So this was about arranging cell size in your table. For more videos, please stay tuned with Nirja Education and keep learning with it.